Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome to an episode of me showing you how to tie a very simple padded scarf that you can wear to school, work, church, or to just run quick errands. I padded my hair using some Kinky extensions, and then I just put my scarf on my head, made a knot at the back, and then tied the tails around the fake bun. I like this because it gives the illusion of, you have old braids, or maybe your hair is full and you just made a bun, and then you're tying rings around it, and it just looks so balanced, so cute. And I like the fact that the bun is not so big, so it is not so uncomfortable. This is a lightweight scarf style that I really love, and I thought to share with you guys. Let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful, and this is how it turned out in the end. And that's it. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I expect to see you in my next video. In the meantime, you can check out any of my previous videos that catches your fancy, or you can watch anyone just to support me, and I'll really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.